Good morning, first grade. Today we're going to be looking at our story, Where Does Food Come From? But first, we are going to look at some vocabulary words. So turn your book to lesson 18 and put your finger on the gold box and repeat the word after me. Food, first, ground, sometimes, under, these, right, your. Now let's look at our words to know. Number 1, food. All kinds of food can grow in a garden. Number 2, first. The seeds are planted in the soil first. Number 3, ground. Keep the ground near the plants wet. Number 4, sometimes. Sometimes pumpkins grow very big. Number 5, under. Carrots grow under the ground. Number 6, these. These tomatoes are ready to be picked. Number 7, right. You can pick pea pods right off the vine. Number 8, your. What will you plant in your garden? Background. Words to know. From farm to table. Do you know where your food comes from? Many fruits and vegetables grow on farms. First, farmers plant seeds. Some plants, like carrots, grow under the ground. Others, like beans, grow above the ground. Farmers pick these vegetables at the right time. Sometimes they send them to stores for us to buy. Where food comes from. Milk, from an animal. Apple, from a plant. Beans, from a plant. Eggs, from an animal. Comprehension. Author's purpose. Authors write for many reasons. They write to share a message or to make you laugh. They write to tell facts and details to help you learn something. As you read Where Does Food Come From? Think about why the author wrote the story. Detail, 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 purpose. Where Does Food Come From? Written by Shelley Rotner and Gary Goss. Photographs by Shelley Rotner. Cocoa beans are seeds. They grow on cocoa trees. Chocolate is made by crushing and cooking cocoa beans. Hot cocoa is made from chocolate. Apples are fruits that grow on trees. An apple is picked right off the tree. Apple juice is made by pressing the juice from apples. Potatoes are vegetables. These vegetables grow under the ground. French fries are made from potatoes. Wheat is a grain that grows in fields. Flour can be made by crushing the wheat. Bread is made from flour. Rice is a grain. It grows in wet fields called paddies. Rice that you can eat is made by cooking the grain. Corn is a grain that grows in fields. Popcorn is made from corn. First you heat it, and then it pops. Milk comes from cows, or sometimes from goats. Butter, cheese, and ice cream are made from milk. The eggs you eat are laid by hens. The hens live on farms. There are many ways to cook eggs. Tomatoes grow on vines. Ketchup is made from tomatoes. Stop and think. Author's purpose. Why does the author show a picture of ketchup near tomatoes? Honey is made by bees. They bring the nectar of flowers to the hive. Maple syrup is made from sap. The sap drips from maple trees. Where does your favorite food come from? Number 1. In the story, the word food means the things we eat and drink, the things we play with, the things we wear.